Welcome students, this is your fine arts painting theory class. Students, in this video we will go through to the paintings from modern trends in Indian art. In the syllabus we have Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean by Raja Ravi Verma, Mother and Child by Jamini Roy or Yamini Roy, Haldi Grinders by Amrita Shergill and Mother Teresa by M.F. Hussain. Today we will start our first painting, Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean. But before going to its description part, we will first know about the artist. So Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean, made by Raja Ravi Verma. Raja Ravi Verma is the most popular artist because of the brilliant portrayal of god and goddesses. He was also known as the introducer of new medium, which we already know, that is oil on canvas in India. He was born in a small village of Kerala. He had inborn talent of art. Later on, he learned European art and he painted Indian themes in European style based on great Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. His numerous portraits and compositions are also highly realistic and very famous. He used beautiful South Indian women as his model for his paintings. His famous works are Ravana and Jatayu, Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean, Shri Krishna and Balram, etc. In this video, we will start with the painting Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean. The painting Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean is an oil painting which is one among the masterpieces of Raja Ravi Verma's paintings. It is done in mid-19th century with oil on canvas. Now it is in the collection of Chitrashala, Mysore. Let's start the subject matter of the painting. This vertical painting is a mythological painting painted on an important episode of Valmiki's Ramayana. This painting shows Rama's anger at the ocean for his non-cooperation to give the way for Lanka. This is based on the episode where Rama wanted to construct a temporary bridge over the ocean to reach Lanka with his force for bringing back his wife Sita from Ravana's clutches. Now the description part. In this painting, Rama has been shown on a rock of the shore near the ocean in angry mood. He is holding a bow in his hand and an arrow in his another hand. Rama threatened Varuna that he was able to dry the ocean from his bow and arrow. Varuna, the god of ocean. In the middle of the ocean, god Varuna has been shown with his two companions. See, in the middle of the ocean, god Varuna has been shown with his two companions, lifting his both hands up and requesting Rama not to dry the ocean. Then he allowed Rama to build a bridge on ocean. The strong-built Rama is shown in loincloth while upper body is uncovered. His fluttering dhoti depicts the strength of the wind blowing from the ocean. The sky is painted in dark blue color with the blend of red and orange. In the background, a bright flash of lightning has been shown in the sky. Flow of the sea waves is painted as they are striking back from the heavy sea rocks. We can see the turbulence in the waves. The rocks have been shown in foreground in dark brown color. Brown, blue, yellow and tone of orange are prominent in the composition. White is skillfully used in the lightning. This painting has clear effects of light and shadow in European style of art. The painting is realistic with Indian mythology, but colors are with European effect. So this is the description of Rama Vanquishing the Pride of Ocean. Thank you.